Assalamualaikum guys, I am Khizr. In today's video we are going to look at very interesting tool named Google Classroom. In this video I will guide you to the whole process how you can use Google Classroom as a teacher or as a student. Let's go to Google and click on this button. You will see a number of ads that are provided by the Google, and here you can see Google Classroom. You can drag and drop it anywhere where you want to place it. Just click on Google Classroom. As you click on Google Classroom, it will show you a Google Classroom first interface. You can see there is nothing in my Google Classroom, means I do not have any class right now. What to do? I have to create a class. You just have to click on this plus button. You want to join a class or create a class. For now I want to create a class because I want to use it as a teacher and create a class. Yes, I have read and understand the agreement and click on continue. Name the class. Name the class daily teachings. Session, you can name anything. Section 1. Subject Google Learning, or we can see it's Google Classroom because today we are learning about the Google Classroom. And what is the room number? I just add 1 2 3 and create a class. You can see for creating a class it just demand a few things, means class name, section, subject and room, and only class name is required to create a class. And if you do not want to add a section and a subject and a room number right now it's okay, you can do it. Here you can see here is a code for our Google class. This code is basically used to invite the students, or student who want to join your class can add this code in their Google class. Then they can join your Google class, and we will see it at the student end. When you create a class, it is the very first interface that you will see. And here are the announcement banner. You can add any announcement for the students, like daily teachings, class will start at 10:00 a.m. In this way you can add any announcement to the students, and you can add the files as well. You can add the file from the Google Drive, you can add any link, you can go for the file, means go for your drive, and you can add a video from the YouTube, and then you can post it. And here's another option, you can post it, you can schedule it, or you can save it as a drafts. If you want to make an announcement for the students, you can schedule it, means you want to make an announcement for the student for tomorrow, and you know tomorrow you will not have enough time to post an announcement. You can schedule it, and for now I am just posting it. You can see here is the very first announcement that I post for my students. Now go to classwork. One of the most usable thing in Google Classroom is this classwork. Here you can create each and everything. I just click on the create assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, reuse, post and topic. For now I want to, first of all I want to add a topic. I want to add a topic about the lectures. I add it. And I want to add another topic. Quiz assignments. I just added 2 topics for now. And now I want to create an assignment for students. I just click on create and click on assignments. As I click on assignment, It's showing me the interface to create an assignment. Title for the assignment, Google Classroom assignment, Google Classroom assignment. Here are the instructions that what student have to do, and from there you can add any file from Google Drive, from any link from your drive, or you can add from it YouTube, or you can create documents, slides, shared drive and forms. When you click on form, it will add Google Form to your assignment, and in Google Forms you can add quizzes for your students. And here are the options whom you want to assign this assignment. You want to assign to the all students or some particular student. Here is the point table. You want to ungrade it or you want to grade it a point, you can add, let's say for 20 points. Here is the due date, means student can deliver it till 11 December 2020, and time is 4:00 p.m. and press enter. You can see now we have edited due time, and where I want to add it, I want to add it in quiz assignments, and just click on assign. In this way, the very first assignment assigned to the students. Similarly, you can add quiz assignment. This is the same process. You have to add the title, then instruction, then go for the Google Forms. And in this way, you can add any question to the students. Add your question here. Here are the your instruction. And again, students have the same menu. They can add a file, or you can create anything from Google Docs, slides, or forms. Similarly, you can add material, or you can reuse your post that you used earlier. Like we have created a one post like daily teaching section, you can use it again and again. And you can see when we open the window, here is only the topics, all topics, and we edited 2 topics, lectures and quiz assignment, and you can go to them by just clicking on their names. And on quiz assignment we have 1 assignment for the students. And here is the people menu. From there you can add the student to your classroom. Here is the teacher option. You can add any teacher if you want to add. And here is the student panel. What you do if you want to add a student, you just have to click on this and add their email. gmail.com. I added the email of the student and I want to invite him. In this way you can add as many email as you want. And if you want to add a multiple email at once, you just have to click there, and for this you have to write your email on Excel sheet, all the emails in one column. Then you can copy this column and paste it here, and when you invite it, this invite go to the all student that email you have posted. And here are the grade session. For now we do not have any grade for the students. And now go for the student panel. What you will see on student panel, I just go for the student panel. You can see I have received a class invitation from daily teaching section 1. I just open this email and I want to join it. I will click on join, and in this way I can join it. Or as I earlier said, if you want to join it through this code, you can join it through this code. I am just copying this code and I go for there. I just click on this plus icon and want to join a class, and it is saying for class code, and click on join. You can see I have joined the class daily teaching that we have created earlier, and you can see here is an announcement that we created. Daily teaching class will start at 10 a.m. and here is an assignment. You can see here is an eventing showing there, upcoming event, which is an assignment, and I have to do this assignment. I have opened the assignment, Google Classroom assignment. You can add anything in a comment, or if you want to ask anything to your teacher, you can add it to a private comment. And how you can add a file in your Google Classroom. Click on this add or create. You will see a number of options. You want to select your file from Google Drive, you want to add a link, you want to add a file from your Drive, and you can add the thing from the Google Doc, Google Slide, Google Sheet and Google Drawing. I want to add a file from my Drive. I just click on add file and I want to upload. I just pause it and I select this one, and it's uploading my assignment. It will take a few moments and it depends on the data size of your file that how much time it will take to upload. As it will done uploading, it will show you in your assigned banner that you have uploading something, and as you can see dsm.pdf file has been uploaded. And the very important thing that you have to do, you have to turn in this option. If you do not turn in this option, means you do not submitted your assignment, and just turn in this option and ask turn in. Now you can see here is showing turn in, and here is an option of unsubmitted. You can unsubmit it before your teacher grade your assignment. And if you see you want to add anything or you made any mistake in your assignment, you can unsubmit it and edit your file and again submit it. But keep one thing in your mind before your teacher graded your assignment. Again go to the daily teaching section. You can see upcoming event who not work due soon, because we have completed our assignment. That one assignment was due. You can see this, and here you can see your teachers, and when you have a number of students, it will show you a same line like teacher then student, and here will you see the number of students in your class. And now go towards the teacher, and what will we see that our student have submitted an assignment or not. Oh, you can see earlier when we click on grades there was nothing in this panel, and now here is an assignment from the Khidrat Sham, and I want to review what Khidrat Sham has done in his assignment. Details. Okay, let me open this file. You can see here is the assignment of the Khizr that he has uploaded, and here is an option for the grades, that how much grades you want to give to your student. And to me it's looking fine, and I want to give him 20 over 20 marks. And in a comment you can add a comment for your student good and post it. Click on post, and you can see here is showing not returned, means I have graded the assignment but I do not return it. Click on return. Yes, I want to grade 20 over 22 Khizr and return. In this way I have graded the assignment to the Khizr and give him 20 over 20 grades. And now let's see what I will see on a student panel. Classwork, assignment, grade it. It's showing this assignment has been graded, and click on the view assignment. When I click on a view assignment, you can see the teacher added a comment good about my assignment and graded me 20/20 marks. And on teacher panel we can see, go to the daily teaching section and go to the grades, and here we can see that she had gained 20/20, and here is in class average that total class average is 20, because for now there is one student, that is why it is showing the full average. In this way you can use Google Classroom for your daily learning or daily teachings. In this video I guided you through the whole process how you can use Google Classroom as a teacher or as a student. And one more thing I want to add, in a teacher panel here is an option for the settings. Just click on setting. You will see multiple things there. Here is a class detail that we edited earlier when we were creating our class. You can change anything if you want to change. And here is an option for the invites. Manage invites code. You can turn it on or turn it off, or you can reset. And if you want to invite any of your students, you can just copy this link and send to them. Here's your class code, and here is team. Like in announcement banner we have seen that a teacher can post in comment and student can post a comment. And if you want to stick it only teacher can post a comment or only student can post a comment, you can select anything. And here's the class on the stream. Show the condensed notification or hide notification, or show the attachment with details. I want to show only condensed notification and show deleted item. I do not want to show my deleted items. And in this way you can edit this category as well. Thanks for watching. It's all about today's video, and in this video we see how we can create a Google Class and how we can use it as a teacher and as a student, and how we can join it as a student. And we have seen the both method, how we can join it as a class code and how we can join it from the link that we have received on our Gmail account. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please subscribe to this channel and hit on bell icon. And if you have any query, please comment in the comment box. Thank you. Thanks for watching.